Hey guys, Nick here with Ohio Power Tool. We were at the 2026 WWETT Show, and if you've never been, that's basically where the entire plumbing and drain cleaning industry goes to see what's new and what's next. While walking the floor, one machine that kept coming up in conversation was the new RIDGID KM-1004 FlexShaft milling machine. If you're in drain cleaning or pipe rehab, this is definitely one you'll want to pay attention to.
I'm Shelby with RIDGID, excited to be launching today our KM-1004 milling machine. So this is really our top of the line FlexShaft machine. So it'll do all the drain cleaning that our other machines will do. And it'll also extend your capability to the milling space. So any longer runtime jobs, heavy descaling, this is built for that. So it's hybrid power, so you can plug it into the wall. So any of those long descaling jobs, plug it in. If you have a shorter job or no access to power, it'll run on our 18-volt battery. So plug that in there. And then on our front screen, we have our advanced display. And once that turns on, you'll be able to see that we have cable counting right there. So as you pull the cable out, you can see exactly how far out you are. We have our adjustable speed right on the screen, so that'll do 1,000 to 2,000 RPM. It's also a connected tool, so you can connect to the tool through our RIDGID Link app. It'll show you maintenance reminders. You can connect through RIDGID Connect and create job reports. And then it has tool lockout capability as well. The milling machine comes standard with our 80 feet of DeadCore cable, 5/16, so for 2 to 4 inch lines. You also are able to swap to our 1/4 inch cable, so smaller lines inch to 1/4 to 2 inch. And yeah, still our compact design, all enclosed, easy to transport. It's about 70 pounds. We have our transport wheels, makes it really nice. And then of course, foot pedal activation. So plug it into the wall, step on the foot pedal, and you're ready to go.
So a huge thanks to the RIDGID team for taking the time to show us the new KM-1004 at the WWETT Show. Now I'm curious, if you're already running a FlexShaft system, would you switch to a hybrid machine like this for an option of corded or 18-volt battery power? Or are you sticking with what you got? Let me know in the comments. I always like hearing from you guys and what you're actually using in the field. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tool breakdowns and new product coverage. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.